Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today update will be short. Today we will take a look again at the Great British Pound, since on the euro currency, yes, market has completed the butterfly that we have discussed. I even could show you on the daily chart. Recall what we have said about this retracement. We said probably not the retracement that we were waiting for, since market hasn't quite reached the target, and probably not a leg up will happen. And this really has happened. It's a bit really fast. I don't like very much when the butterfly completes with this acceleration right to the target, but sorry guys. But let's see what will happen here. So on the euro currency, since retracement hasn't started yet, it's nothing to discuss yet. You could try to take the short based on this butterfly if you trade directly the harmonic patterns. As a rule, as usually we do this. But as you know, we mostly expect the retracement down to this area for taking the long position on the euro currency. And this action has happened yet. That's why today we have thought that probably it's better to take a look at the Great British Pound by two reasons. First of all, our bread butter trade was really not bad. It hasn't quite reached the target for the few pips, but in general it was successful. And whether you have taken our stop was not hit, and where you have taken the profit, it's really not the big question. So whether you have taken right at the top, maybe you have taken it with a 50-60 pips success. So that's the second question. The major idea is that in general it has done well. So, but right now we should turn to the second stage, and the second point that we have discussed yesterday, in particular speaking, is some of you could thought that this retracement up that has started here is the retracement that we're expecting. But this is not quite so, because we expect retracement from this level. We said in our weekly research and in updates, we said that the Great British Pound right now at overbought on the weekly and the daily time frame chart. That's why when the market stands at overbought, it usually shows the deep retracements. Because overbought works is the additional force that pushes market lower. And that's why we have suggested that probably market should reach an area around 49.24, 49. And the second reason for that is the existence of this reverse head and shoulders pattern. And it should keep the harmony. That's why the retracement also should be deeper. According to these thoughts, as the conclusion, yesterday we said that probably this bread butter trade will become the part of some deeper retracement, maybe some ABCD pattern down. And right now we see that this suggestion probably is starting to materialize, starting to work. So if we'll take a look at the forward time frame chart, you'll see that in fact we could get this big ABCD pattern with the targets around 48.90. And if you take a look at the 48.90 stands very close to the 49.20 area. In fact, we will get the agreement with around the major 618 support on the daily chart. That's very good. And agreement will stand right at the bottom of the potential right shoulder of the big pattern. What else do we need? That's just perfect setup for taking the long position. And that's why our next object for trading will be this area. As soon as downward ABCD will be completed, and as soon as market will appear at the bottom of the right shoulder, there we will start to catch the intraday reversal patterns for taking the long position. Also, guys, just a small add-on to our bread butter trade. Actually, it's really could happen that market still will complete and reach this target, despite this action to the downward. Because as you can see, this candle is downward, but it's not really very fast, and right now it's seen that market has stopped here. I can't exclude that market could give us, for example, I will show you. That's our yesterday setup, remember that? So what will happen if we will get something of that sort? $53.65. If even market will move slightly lower, it could look this way. But currently, $53.65. Say BCD patient. $53.37. So the thing that I would like to say is that we could get to the upside also a BCD patron. Okay, this also could happen. And in this case, if we will suggest that market still will complete this patron, in this case, guys, we will get even not ABCD at 48.90. We will get 49.34. That will be almost the perfect agreement. So say BCD will finish right at the fib level. So that's just small adjustments. Maybe this, I don't know whether it will happen or not, but current price action, it seems that is possible. So that's possible that market could show this ABCD and hit, because in most cases, it's really very high probability that market with the BNB, I mean the brand button, reach the 618 resistance of the whole backward movement. So that's really still chance exists that market will show another leg up here. That's why you could think about the brand body if you still hold the position. I hope you have protected with this break-even stop loss as we have suggested yesterday in our trading plan. Anyway, so guys, despite what will happen, whether market will show this upward continuation or not, or maybe it will start move down from this area. Anyway, we will be looking for this ABCD pattern. In particular, our next object on the Great British Pound that we will be closely watching for as the potential good area for taking the long position is this level, where we hope that we will get an agreement here. It's the bottom of the potential right shoulder.